So today we're at KNRM lifeboat station Katwijk and we're participating in a demonstration using the DJI Dock. So the KNRM is a volunteer organization founded to help people in need on open water and at sea using lifeboats and search and rescue vehicles. Right now we're using DJI Mavic Enterprise 2 drones in a pilot project to see how we can use them in search and rescue operations. So the challenges we face are the manual operation. Right now we need a pilot and we need to be on the beach to launch the drone, which takes time. The DJI Dock would save a lot of crucial minutes of the notice time we have when someone makes an emergency call. So saving minutes of our notice time would save lives, since every minute we are at position sooner would narrow the search area someone could be in.